how technology is impacting nursing practice in 2021. How does these innovations affect nursing job and communications? How does this technology allows RNs to improve nursing skills and their way of communications? Hello everyone, I am your guy Vino and welcome back to Vinos Corners. Yay! Dahil intrigero at intrigera ka, stay tuned at pag-uusapan natin ang different nursing advancement. Yes, tama po narinig nyo. Susubukan kong maging energetic para sa inyo but I will really try my best na may deliver ko ng maayos kung ano sasabi ko kasi galing ako sa work today. Sobrang napagod ako, guys. Naubos yung energy ko today. So today, pag-uusapan natin ang advancement sa technology dito sa USA and how it affects your nursing job. At guys, at the same time, mag-unbox din tayo ng regalo ng work sa akin. Woo! Regalo ba talaga? So, bago pa tayo antukin sa pag-uusapan natin ngayon, let's start it. Shall we? Intro, pasok! Guys, ayun na nga. Bubuksan na natin itong regalo ng work. Hindi guys, ito. Binigay ito sa akin ng work. Ito yung case niya. And yung iPad Air 4th generation Wi-Fi plus cellular. So may SIM card pala to. Hindi ko alam. Ngayon ko lang nalaman. So binigay siya for us to use in any work-related applications. So, guys, ito ay 256 GB. So, tingnan natin ang laman nitong iPad na to. Wow, grabe yung social, guys. Alam nyo, first time ko mag-unbox and sobrang natutuwa ako kasi parang feeling ko binili ko tapos reward ko sa sarili ko, diba? Sobrang bait ng manager ko. And sa mga ka-work ko, alam nyo na we're really lucky kasi meron tayong iPad. So, yun. Umpisahan na natin yung unboxing, guys. So, ito. Kita ba? Nag-ano ba siya? There you go. Garapan magbukas. To ayaw ata magpagamit. Taran! Wow! Wow! Guys, pasensya na kayo. Wala akong tape. Ay, ang ganda! Wow! Ang nipis! Ang ganda, guys! Wow! Parang ayaw kong buksan. Guys, ang ganda. Guys, ang ganda niya talaga. Paano ba ito i-focus? Wow! Oh my gosh, guys, ang nipis niya. Ang ganda. At akala ko may button, ha? Oh! Ganda. Guys, ang gaan. Ang gaan niya. And ang kasama nito ay designed by Apple California. Can you see it? No, you can't. Paano ba mag-focus? At may charger. Yung cord pala yun. Ito yung charger. Sana may earpad. Sana may earpad. Wala! Yun lang. Guys. I love it. At may case pa, ha? May case pa. Wow. I'm so spoiled. Guys, mapapalitan na po yung iPad na binili ko nun sa Green Hills. Yun yung ginagamit ko. Yung ginagamit ko may SIM card din yun. Kaya lang guys, pag tinanggal nyo yung SIM card, hindi insert SIM lumalabas. Insert coin. Joke! Joke lang. Corny. So, paano to? Wow! So, pag nilagay dito, para na siya... Wow, ang galing naman. Thank you po sa nagbigay nito sa akin kanina. Thank you po. Paano ito ilagay? Guys, nasira ko ata. Guys, paano nasira? Guys, baka masira ako. Saka ko na siya ilalagay. Pero sobrang ganda. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You're gonna use that for work-related applications. Very innovative, ha? I'm not going to mention the company I'm working for privacy reason, but so far I love them. People are welcoming and, of course, very approachable. This iPad will also be used in all nursing-related activities like, as I mentioned earlier, incident reporting, charge slips, email, yung Outlook, time in and time out, and reimbursement ng mga travel mo or yung parang mileage mo pag pupunta ka sa hospital and na naka-assign ka and sa bahay mo. So guys, enough with the iPad, pero na-excite ako kanina mag-unbox. It's my first time and first time ko talagang ginawa yun sa camera. So, without further ado, pag-usapan natin kung ano ba yung mga advancement ng technology. Guys, so how does this technology affects our nursing? These new technologies can decrease the chance of human error and efficiency ng nursing skills mo. Example nito ay yung automated IV pumps that can measure yung dosage given to the patients. Pero guys, for advancement siya, pero meron din siyang mga dapat nyong tandaan pag ginagamit ng technology. Agilia by Fresenius Kabi is the common sense choice in smart infusion pumps that helps you put patient safety first. May nakaset na dun kung anong dosage or calculations ng IV drip, hanapin mo na lang yung gamot. For example, vancomycin, search mo lang the vancomycin and then how much yung protocol ng hospital, nandun na. Tandaan nyo guys, as I mentioned earlier, they are machines. Those machines are not thinking. And of course, as a nurse, it's a responsibility to verify yung correct dosage or dapat calculate nyo much better or double check naman lang yung sinasabi ng machine kasi it's just machine. Ikaw, yung may brain para alam mo yun, para mag-calculate kung ano ba tamang dosage. Sa US naman guys, may mga glucometer na diretso na sa computer yung results or sa chart ng pasyente. So, you have to scan the wristband, then after mo scan yung wristband, scan mo rin yung badge mo, and then yung result ng diretso na sa hospital. Sa record ng hospital. O diba guys, sa mga makakalimutin dyan, yung glucometer is really, really good kasi diretso na nga sa system ng hospital so you don't need to think. Pero may disadvantage din guys. Lagi nyo tatandaan na before nyo i-prick yung pasyente, i-disinfect nyo muna at the same time yung first blood na lalabas, alisin nyo muna and make sure na nilinis nyo yung finger. Kasi sometimes, yung mga pasyente kumain ng sweets and then they grab something sweet and then gamit yung finger nila, may sugar, prick nyo ngayon, mariread yun ng machine. So guys, it's better to disinfect and clean it talaga na malinis talagang walang residue ng mga sugar or mga kinain niya. Some of the hospitals here in the US as well are using Rover. So it's an iPhone na may pang-scan din, and then you can scan the patient's barcode or yung wristband, then scan the medication. So talagang malilesen yung medical error. But still, as a nurse, as I said earlier, it's our responsibility to verify the patient's name and date of birth and the medical record number. Sa New Zealand naman, ang ginagamit namin pag magbibigay ng medication is Pyxis. So ito yung machine na ilalagay mo yung fingerprint mo, gaganyan mo siya, then saka ka makaka-access dun sa mga medications, look for the medications para kaninong pasyente, and pag clinic mo yon, lalabas yung medication, and of course pag in-audit yon, ikaw lang yung fingerprint mo lang yon, syempre, so ikaw makikita nila kung ano yung binigyan mo medication, and para kaninong pasyente, through that malilesen yung error. Another advancement of technology nowadays is yung tinatawag nating telehealth. It is so timely because of the pandemic na mas napaka-efficient ng telehealth. Through this telehealth, it gives opportunity sa mga nurses to reach yung mga kabundok-bundukang area na may nursing shortage. Appreciates how healthcare system in the Philippines adapt to this technology nowadays, especially during this time that hospital visits are not a good idea to do. In the Philippines, meron na rin tayong telehealth. This is really, really exciting na nag-evolve na rin yung technology ng Pilipinas. It made nursing easier in a way na yung mga pasyente na nakatira sa rural areas gets the monitoring too from nurses and doctors or any other healthcare professionals. So guys, medyo humaba na yung kwentuhan natin. Sabi ko, bibilisan ko lang but napakadaldal ko. And talagang, yun, nag-unbox naman ako eh, di ba? At least may napala ako sa pinagsasabi ko. So let's go to the bottom line of this video. The bottom line of this video is about the advancement in technology. And the advancement in technology is increasing and becoming popular because of the following reasons. Number one, guys, na-improve yung quality of life ng mga healthcare professionals at ng pasyente, syempre kasi pagaan yung trabaho ng mga nurses. Number two is na-improve yung accessibility kasi computer na. So, madali na lahat. Number three, nabawasan yung nursing shortage kasi naabot na yung mga rural areas. At ang pinaka-importante na lessen yung human errors. Yun talaga yung pinaka-importante sa lahat. Nabawasan yung incident reporting and mistakes sa nursing work. So guys, if you think of benefits ng technology na to and kung anong technology ang meron kayo dyan sa hospital o sa nursing facility nyo, feel free to comment down below. Don't hesitate, guys. Also, shout out time tayo, guys. Shout out to Jemuel Paul Andaya. Support daw siya. Shout out to Genevieve Mallorca. Puntahan ko daw siya sa Massachusetts pag makalis na siya. Shout out to Sidemen B. Pa-shout out po niya. Shout out to Francia Ruiz. O, tita ko yan. Pa-shout out nga Vino. Si Apo Natalie Wonders din. Someday American. Shout out to Marie Linda Fragata. Sir Vino, pa-shout out po. So, co-worker sa Avenue Medical Center. Yun lang, guys. Keep on commenting and watching my videos. Hanggang dito na lang. I hope you learned something at may napulot kayong hindi napulot, yung magandang term doon. Natutunan sa aking video na to. Napulot, parang basura. Meron kayong natutunan sa video na to. Hanggang sa muli. Bye-bye!